The other day on Instagram I posted a video of my neck and people started saying that I have a filter on, and no, I do not. I'm almost 39 and I will show you guys why and what I do, how I have a pretty good neck. My skin is really great on my neck, not because genetics or anything like that, because I do microneedling. I will show you what. Now this is gonna be advanced. I'm gonna be using 0.75mm Dermaroller that I did not use before, and now you're gonna say, oh my god, you told us, Jim, do not use 75. Stop it. Things change. It's 2025 March. I get knowledge, I get educated. Yes, you can use 0.75, but you cannot use, if you do have sensitive skin, if you haven't used Dermaroller for over a year, don't do that. And if you have anything like scars, wounds, acne scars, acne, any inflammation on your neck, you cannot use that. Extremely. People with thyroid issues, don't do that size. And I'll show you from this book, White Lotus Holistic Microneedling. This is the only one direction to up and sides that you want to do on the neck. You don't want to do any crosses in the diagonals, anything like that. Only this one, up and side. Now this book says you shouldn't use more than 0.75. I have a couple of more books. I have done more research and I did the best research on myself that I've been using 75mm Dermaroller and everything is fine, but I do not have no sensitive skin. I do not have a thyroid issues. Everything is fine with my neck. So I will show you with demonstration. Of course, you want to disinfect your neck really well, because this area is prone to infections because it's a very thin skin. And why I'm actually using 0.75. First of all, this is a body Dermaroller which is shorter time. It takes really faster when you have a wider Dermaroller compared to the other one. I'm using 75 now. I do have replaceable heads with 1mm. You can just simply replace that with 1.5. This is replaceable head Dermaroller, which is really easy to use. And I'm using foam liquid oxygen to disinfect. I'm kind of gonna get messy, but I'm disinfecting my neck everywhere. No. Here, no face, only neck here, okay? And if you want to know how to use 0.5 or 0.25, I'm gonna put video somewhere right here. I'm gonna click on the link and you can go and watch that video. This video is for advanced. If you're advanced, keep watching. I'm wiping with a clean towel, just by the way. And also we're gonna be launching soon travel sites, which you guys requested so many times. So yes, it's coming. Probably by the end of March, I'm gonna have that on my store. You can always subscribe to my newsletter and you're gonna be first to be notified and get discount once we launch the products. So the skin of my neck right now is clean. I already disinfected Dermaroller. Make sure your hands are clean. On the top of that, I will still take foam and still disinfect my hands because neck is very sensitive place. The skin is thin and you need to be extra careful with the neck. So that's how I do over here, starting from this bone. I don't know what's the name of this bone, but we starting here. Let's be real. This is real, people. I don't need to talk medical language and stuff like this. Starting from here until the apple over here. Guys or women, don't go over the apple. It can be a little bit too sensitive. Plus, most of us have right underneath thyroid. I'm skipping this place. I wish I had some pencil so I can write. But from the apple, right here, down until here, we don't want to touch this part. I just don't. You do you. I'm just suggesting do not touch that. So I kind of gonna hold finger and I'm gonna go down 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then here, nothing. Now I'm starting over here, 10 times from the bone all the way down here. Still kind of putting 3 fingers here, so make sure I don't touch that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you need numbing cream, lidocaine, I'm gonna link my favorite lidocaine numbing cream agent in the description box. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Always lift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I do the same thing here. maybe hair, I don't know. I tried to really hard to keep my hair up in this, but still some hair getting in the way. Now here is kind of complicated, so I'm holding like that. I hope you guys are gonna be able to see. You want to derma roll your neck. Neck is there too, guys, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you can be done for the first time. That's enough. I already feel a little bit burning. That's fine. Now, if you really advance and you know your skin is really not sensitive, really cool, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then one below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, you're skipping this. Now in the back, because it's so much little space, we're gonna do just one kind of line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. You want a little bit extra love over here if you have sagginess going on right here. Do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I notice when you do too much, and if you have like loose skin over here, you don't want to do too much stretching. Less stretching is better, but I suggest do only that is better. That's it, guys. Easy peasy as this. Disinfection like this. 2 pumps. I'm gonna wait until it's gonna settle, rinse it with a filtered water, and then I'm gonna wait until it's gonna evaporate and close the lid on the top of that. That's probably gonna be next day. Now, what do I apply after? If you don't want to apply nothing, don't apply nothing. It's already working, but I'm gonna be applying my 2 favorite products, which is hyaluronic acid serum, hydrating and nourishing plant-based serum from Genarme Beauty, and a peptides, which is firming, anti-aging, both of them together. I put probably 3 pumps of each, and gently tap, 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 very gentle, no rubbing, dabbing like this. Later on, you're gonna have redness, maybe a little bit itching sensation. That's totally fine. Be gentle with yourself. Don't go in the sun for the next 24 to 48 hours. Of course, this is sensitive area. If you're gonna go for some reason, you need to walk the dog, you can. Just make sure you apply a lot of sunscreen. Have a big hat. Try to still avoid your sun, especially during between 11 and 4 p.m. That's very intense sun. Now, if you think these serums are not enough yet and you want extra moisture, vitamin C plus squalane. Squalane is super hydrating, and vitamin C, this cream is a repair cream, really great after microneedling. I take 2 pumps, also gently dabbing in. Right now my skin is getting a little bit more red, more sensitive, which is absolutely fine as well. I don't recommend using sauna or going to the gym for the next 24 hours as well. You might just gonna feel a little bit burning, but if that doesn't bother you, you can do that. Absolutely, it's fine. Some of you have been asking like why I cannot work out. Well, you could. It's just really uncomfortable when it starts burning, when you start sweating. I will avoid absolutely anything that makes you sweat for the next day or 2, but that doesn't impact the benefits that you're gonna get. Sunscreen. Make sure it's mineral sunscreen. And how often to use the 0.75? 75 you can use every 2 to every 3 weeks. Depends. If your skin is not as sensitive and if you feel healed and everything is fine, you can use every 2 weeks. But I will say still to start that size, start for a couple of months every 3 weeks, and then you can go to every 2 weeks, because that's a big size. It takes a while to heal. What are the benefits? Neck is tighter. This produces collagen and elastin production naturally by your body. You know, guys, microneedling is called collagen induction therapy. So naturally your skin always gonna get tighter. This is great prevention. You can start rolling your neck as early as 25 and as late as 80, 90. There is never too late. Some of you ladies asking like, oh my God, I'm 65. Is it too late to start? No, it's not too late. My mom is 58. She just started rolling. It's never too late. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. If you haven't, please leave me a like and click on the bell so you can get notified when I upload more videos like this. Thank you guys so much. Please let me know if you have any more questions. I love you so much. See you in my next video. Bye!